Now I want to teach you how to fix a problem with Palmpay. If, for example, you have the problem of Palmpay not installed, and you have that kind of problem, that means you need to check your date and time, check your software, make sure you're using the latest Palmpay app, so you can go back and re-download it, or you reinstall the one you already have to fix that problem. Now, don't forget to check the storage space too, to make sure you have enough space to run the app. So it's as simple as that. Now, if you've done all this and you're still facing that problem, then you have to contact the customer service and it will be fixed. But if you're still having the problem, I suggest you clear the cache, you delete everything, and you download another Palmpay app, and you put in the usual your information, so that you can start refreshed with the same Palmpay account number. I believe that should fix the problem.